this is going to be an update video on my World War II German kit. So let's start off with the first item. Right now we have an M42 tunic right here, which I'm here to transferred to 2nd SS Division. Right now I have the Infantry SS shoulder boards. I have the SS embroidered tabs right here. I sewed them myself. Sewed on the this is not Bevo. This is an embroidered SS for the time frame I'm doing. It is completely accurate. I am going to be getting a cuff title soon. Do not worry about that. I do have tunic hooks right here, used very well, and this is burned and shaved. Really good by me. Here's a front. And then here is a back with tunic hooks and everything else. So that is the tunic right there. And in the pockets I have my glasses, which are period correct, matches, a wallet, gloves, and other items that I need in my tunic. This is my belt. It is a normal infantryman's belt with an SS belt buckle. Right next to that is my bread bag from at the front. It is a really great bread bag. As you can see, it is worn and everything else. And a canteen here from Hessen. Would definitely recommend it. It does not have the accurate buttons, but you can swap them out for a better one. But for right now, this is what I have. Next item we have is the bayonet frog, and shovel cover. I do not have a shovel at the moment, but I'm going to be getting that soon. So right here is my bayonet and bayonet frog. This does not have the Bakelite ones. These are the wooden furniture. Let me go out real quick. This is the wood furniture bayonet reproduction from Hessen Antique. It's a really great reproduction, would recommend. And it does come with the sheath too. You'd have to buy the bayonet frog by itself. Mounted or unmounted, it does not matter. And then we have a shovel cover, flat shovel, or you could get the spaded shovel. It doesn't matter whichever one that you want, or particularly for that unit. We have Y straps right here. These are dated 41 on the back here, and these are really great reproduction, and I'll show you how to put everything on later. For here we have ammo pouches. These are my current ones. These are G98, but I'm going to be getting Car 98 ones later on, but I can use these for now. This is the helmet that I have, which is a reissued M1916 helmet from World War Supply. It is a great reproduction and would recommend. I have an A-frame, which I do have a mess kit, but I forgot it at an event. So I'm going to be getting that when I meet my friend again and get it once again. That is the undershirt right now. It is currently a civilian undershirt, very used. And then the last item is my pair of .44 pants from Hessen Antique with used suspenders. I'm going to be getting a pair of wool soon. They are stamped. They are stamped. Just like that. It is a really great pair. If you want something better, you could go with the SM wholesale ones. It is your choice. Now I'm going to show you how to put on the kit. So what you're going to want to do is grab your first ammo pouch right here, and then you're going to want to place it right here. So you're going to want to slide it through and put it here. Once you have it through, it should be at least 1 centimeter away from the belt buckle pretty much. And then after that, you're going to be wanting to put the bread bag on next. We'll go here. After you do that, you want to make sure that your bayonet frog is in between here with your shovel, and you want to make sure it's in between like that and put it all in one by one. Make sure it slides through. This goes to here, here, and here, and then you'll see what that looks like in just a second. Just like that. As you see, slides on just like that. Bread bag, canteen, ammo pouch. After you have this, grab your second ammo pouch and just slide it on just like that. Then after that, just grab your Y straps and then just put them on. Now, I'll show you how to put it on with the uniform on. This is what your equipment should look like when it is all set up, but mine is not fully complete. I just need to get a shovel and then the correct ammo pouches, and then all will be good. So this is the way that I do it. I've seen nobody do it this way on how to put it onto your tunic. So pretty much what I do is that I grab the tunic and I put it on the hook. So your bread bag, this area would go on that hook, and then right here, pretty much on one of these, it would go on that hook, and that's how I sit up, and I put the tunic on and buckle it up. Right now. As you see, this is how I do it. I put it on here, where the tunic hook is on here, the other tunic hook is on this side, and then I throw it on. So I throw it on, to let any side fall off, grab it, button it up, and then you want to grab this one, grab this side, make sure that they're good, make sure that's the correct one, and fasten your belt buckle. Where it is good. You want to make sure that these are all lined up evenly and on the tunic hooks. Place up there, and this one goes on that tunic hook right here, and that is yours. And make sure it is lined up with the seam of your tunic. Push this button up right now. Make sure it is lined up with these two buttons here and lined up on the seam of your tunic. So that's how it should be. That is what, and this is what the kit looks like. And then you throw on the Y straps. Pretty much just have them here. Throw them over. Attach this here to the loop on your ammo pouches. Attach the second one to the other one. And then in the back, you have this other loop here, and you just attach it to your point of view. Or you can grab your cap and tuck it in to your belt. And then you can grab your helmet. Put it on just like that. And I am wearing the boots with Gamashin. And if you want to, you can put on the A-frame, but you don't have to. This is like a quicker way, a better version of the rucksack. This is A-frame bag. I have a mess kit, just not at the moment. It's over at a friend's place getting fixed on. And this is what it is. This just clips onto your D-rings on the back of your Y-straps. And then this bottom one connects to these straps right here. And that's that. And that is my World War II German Waffen SS kit. Auf Wiedersehen.